Now I'm going to take a few moments to show you the actual app within the phone. So I do have an Android device. I have already gone to my Play Store. It already has been downloaded. So I'm just going to click open. Now this is from my son's Class Dojo page from a few years ago. So it looks a little bit different right now because he's not directly connected yet because their school year has not started. So you can see this is a story page. Down here on the app, this is where the messaging feature is. I don't have any messages because I'm not currently connected to his class yet, but it will be down there. There's some notifications, so that's where the notification screen is, and it will show you different notifications of what's going on. And then again, there's a home screen. So once you get this connected with your teacher, your screen will obviously look a little bit different than mine.